So the biggest problem we've had since COVID 2020 was because house prices has just grown too fast in comparison to what the real wage growth was. So everybody, I'm very excited for you first home buyers for this new policy to be introduced by the Labor government, because I think increasing the cap from 900 to 1.5 mil actually opens up an array of assets and properties you can potentially buy. Let's see what the new government and the new policy has implemented and what changes there are for you first home buyers out there. Okay everybody, Labor just got re-elected and let's see what this means for you first home buyers. I'm your host Tony Xia and thanks for joining me on another episode of the Mortgage Chat. And today I want to talk about the first home guarantee, more specifically for New South Wales, Sydney home buyers, right? So for first home buyers, let's see what the new government and the new policy has implemented and what changes there are for you first home buyers out there. So the biggest problem we've had since COVID 2020 was because house prices has just grown too fast in comparison to what the real wage growth was. So house prices around Sydney has grown maybe 25, 30, 40% in some areas, but your wage growth has not grown the same percentage as house price growth. So there was always going to be that massive gap in savings and affordability, right? But yes, we also had a cost of living problem, right? Because inflation was just through the roof. But a small part of me still believed there was a cost of spending problem where first home millennials were on high wages and they were just going out there splurging the money like no tomorrow. Okay, so that's a story and topic for another day. Today, let's just talk about the first home guarantee, where the government supports your loan, where you only need 5% deposit and the government guarantees you the other 15%, so you don't have to pay any lender's mortgage insurance. So let's break down the new proposed changes by the Labor government through this scheme. So let's talk about the scheme, what the current scheme is and what the proposed scheme changes are going to be. Okay, so right now for New South Wales, Sydney, for major cities, the cap on using this scheme, the purchase price has been no higher than $900,000. And the income is either going to be $125,000 as a single applicant or $200,000 combined as a couple. All right, so what the new changes are going to be is they want to increase that $900,000 to 1.5 mil. And also there's no income threshold, right? Because, mate, to get a loan for 1.5 mil, you need more than $200,000. So those are the new proposed changes, which will help out a lot of first home buyers, especially in Sydney. And I love how the government has increased this threshold, because for 900,000, first home buyers, there's very limited properties they can buy. A lot of these first home buyers want to actually buy a house, right? So, you know, for a house these days in Sydney, the average house prices is around 1.6 mil. So for 900,000, there's not much you can buy unless you go, you know, out west a little bit. But for first home buyers that work in the city, for 900,000, more than likely they can only buy a 1-2 bedroom apartment closer to the city. With the new threshold of 1.5 mil, it opens the door up for them a lot more. Okay, so they can start buying, you know, villas, townhouses closer to the city, or they can potentially buy a house for 1.5 mil, which opens up a lot of more areas for them to purchase in. And I'm very happy that the Labor government has actually increased the threshold from 900,000 to 1.5 mil and also changing the income, right? Because when the cap was only 900,000, it limited first home buyers on what they can purchase in Sydney, right? So to purchase a house in Sydney, you're very limited to what you can buy, because you have to buy very out west, or you can only buy a townhouse or a villa or an apartment, right? So for first time buyers, they actually want to buy a house closer to the city if possible. But with a $900,000 budget, if they want to live closer to the city, you can only buy an apartment. And because they work in the city and they want to live closer to the city, buying a house for $900,000 is just too hard. So even if you want to buy something in the northwest area, it's still going to be around $1.2, 3, 4, $5 million, right? So, you know, anything around 900,000, top of my head, you have to buy in Penrith area or maybe even Blacktown area if you're lucky. Now, I'm not saying Blacktown, Penrith is a bad place. Okay, I got family that lives there, but I was just using that as an example, so don't shoot me, all right? Now, with this $1.5 million, it actually opens up the door a lot more, right? So first-time buyers don't have to buy an apartment close to the city. They can probably consider buying a townhouse, a villa that's close to the city, or they can start buying a house that's in, you know, southwest, northwest, or even the Blacktown Penrith area, right? A bigger house. So it gives them a lot more opportunities to purchase something for 1.5 mil down the track. It opens up the area a lot more, and it opens up the type of property you want to buy as well, right? So, you know, they're not really limited in buying an area that they don't want to buy in, because, 900,000 doesn't allow you to buy in a lot of places for a house. Okay, so I'm happy that the cap has increased from 900 to 1.5 mil. So what does this mean for first-time buyers and how they can buy something for 1.5 mil? And let's break it down. The first two things you have to understand is borrowing power and deposit. What income you need to get a borrowing power to buy something for 1.5 mil, and what sort of deposit you need to buy something for 1.5 mil. Let's break that down right now. So first, let's work out what your borrowing power is, right? So to buy something for 1.5 mil and you have 5% deposit, the loan you're going to get is $1.425 million, which is 95% of the purchase price. Now, to get a loan for that amount in today's market, which is May 2025, and just before the rate cut as well, okay, what income do you need to obtain this loan? All right, so let's say you're a couple, you have no dependents, you have no HECS, no other debts, but you have a $10,000 credit card. And I'll use $10,000 credit card because a lot of people have credit cards out there these days. They don't have a lot of credit card debt. Some do, but a lot of people use credit cards for the points, right? So they pay for all the expenses with the credit card, but they pay it off at the end of the month to rack up the points for, they can get gift cards or go on holidays with the Qantas points, whatever you want to call it, okay? So for this example, I purely only used $10,000 credit card limit in the calculations as a liability. Now, what income as a couple do they need to get this loan for $1.425 million? And the answer is around $145,000 each. Okay, so it's higher than average wages out there, but there is some people out there that's a couple that's on between $120,000 to $160,000, especially if they're working corporate, or even if you're a tradesman earning a lot of overtime, you're on that money anyway, right? So yes, that is the income you need to get a loan for 95% of $1.5 million with a $10,000 credit card limit. Now, if you don't have a credit card limit, just remember, as a rule of thumb, every $1,000 credit card limit you have, that will decrease your borrowing power by about $4,000 to $4,500. Okay, so if they close off that $10,000 credit card, they can probably get an extra borrowing power of between $40,000 and $45,000. And another thing is, every time there's going to be a 0.25% rate cut, your borrowing power will probably increase by around 2%. Okay, so not a whole lot, but it's going to help you a little bit anyway. All right, so those are the two things that you can probably consider when you're looking for your first home loan. Okay, and especially when things change, the market change, RBA changes rate, decreases rate, etc. Okay, so as a rule of thumb, okay, right now you can probably borrow around 4.7 to 5 times your income for owner-occupied property if you have no debts, or in this case, 10 grand credit card. Okay. Okay, everyone, so now let's talk about what deposit you need to purchase something for 1.5 mil. Okay, so the first thing you need is the 5% deposit, right? Which is 75,000. So this could be a mixture of savings or using the first home super saver scheme. Okay, now because it's 1.5 mil, the government has to make money somewhere. Okay, you need 65 G's on stamp duty, then another $2,500 for solicitor costs. Okay, look, it could be 1,800, 2,500, 3,000. I don't know. I'm just using 2,500 as an example, and another $500 for changeover costs. So what I mean by this is, when you settle on a property, you have to pay the prorated council rates, water rates, strata, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so you need a total of around $145,000 to buy something for $1.5 million. All right. So everybody, $143,000 is just the bare minimum of what you need to purchase something for 1.5 mil. But remember, you have to furnish the place and you have to have some money for a rainy day. So just remember those two things. So everybody, that's just a breakdown on purchasing something for 1.5 mil under the new proposed first home guarantee. Okay, so I showed you the deposit you need, and I showed you the income you need for borrowing power purposes. All right, so I'm very excited for first home buyers in the coming few months once this new policy is implemented, okay, because I think it will open up a lot of doors for you first home buyers that's just struggling for that deposit. So everybody, I'm very excited for you first home buyers for this new policy to be introduced by the Labor government, because I think increasing the cap from 900 to 1.5 mil actually opens up an array of assets and properties you can potentially buy, and not just stuck with, certain price ranges, okay, in certain areas, right? So I'm very excited for you guys. I've just showed you what you need to do with the borrowing power and deposit you need for 1.5 mil, okay? But if you do need a recalculation on a lower purchasing price and a lower income, please reach out. The team will help you out. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm very excited for you guys. Please stay tuned. Please subscribe because we've got very exciting episodes to come up in the next few weeks, which will help you out a lot. As always, take care and I'll see you next time.